Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD error code 186 so you can get your graphic driver installed and running smoothly again. So the error usually pops up when the installer cannot detect the right files it needs. Maybe it's because the files is corrupted, or there are leftover old files, or maybe the Windows blocking the installations. But good news, you don't need to be a tax expert to fix it. So the first fix that you can do is to run the AMD Cleanup Utility. This is the easiest and most effective method. You can open your browser and then just search for AMD Cleanup Utility. Here, you need to do it on the official AMD website. So download the tool and after that run it and select OK in here to boot into safe mode automatically and let it remove all or corrupted AMD drivers. And after that you need to reboot or restart your PC. So this will clear out everything that might be causing the error. And the second method is installing the latest driver cleanly. So you need to go to the amd.com, click on resources and support in here, and download the recommended driver. Here you can go to the drivers option and download the recommended drivers and run the installer again, and now the error should be gone. So this is the next fix is optional, but it will be helpful for you. So you need to check for the Windows update. Go to the settings in here and just click on Windows update and check for any updates and install all pending updates. Because sometimes Windows blocks the AMD installer if your system isn't up to date. And after that again, you need to just restart your PC. And the last fix that you can do is disable the third-party antivirus, because some antivirus programs mistakenly block the installer. So just temporarily post the protection, and after that you need to run the installer again and turn the protection back on after it finishes. So that should fix the error in your PC, and if you follow these steps, your driver should now install without any issue. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.